Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a new stock release button on your Echo1 Wolverine, and this will probably work for most other AKs with a folding side stock. Here is stock latch, and you have the button on that side and the latch on that side. What you have to do is kind of wiggle it in place. See if you can see that. The new camera, shiny. Just line it up, and I have it backwards, so you just turn it and drop it in place like that, like so. And then for the spring, we want to do, just push it like that. For the spring, you want to have it go in this area right here, right there. I'm going to pop that in, and it'll be good to go. There's a larger post on one side, so I'm going to go ahead and attach the spring, then use a flathead and gently insert into the coils to hold it in place, squeeze down, press it in place. Okay, you should see that, and now I can press on the button and it's good to go. And that was how to quickly install a new stock release button. I'm Brian from Echo1 USA. Keep on shooting.